mean to disrespect, but once of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kia Cole and I'm back with the video. So what is up? If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Keeping It Cute with Key, and on my channel you'll see anything from fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. So today's sponsored video, I am very excited because this is something new. I have never done this on my channel before. Well, I'm not really doing anything, but I haven't tested this type of product out before. So I am super excited to share it with you guys. So the product that I'm going to be reviewing today is a little bit different from what I usually do. This company reached out to me, so this is a sponsored video. Hey y'all. But this company is based in Los Angeles, California, and the name of this company is called Addict. You can find them on social media, especially Instagram if you are an Instagrammer. They have over 40,000 followers. So I am super excited I'm honored, not excited. I am honored to be doing this video for you guys. And you already know that I'm gonna give you a real review, even though this is a sponsored video, and they sent me these items. So this company has vegan free, cruelty free, and 9 free gel polish. They also have gel accessories, so I'll jump into that as well. They sent me a few things. And also, I will have a promo code at the end of this video. Share it at the end of the video because I don't want you guys to just go and run and buy it. I want you to see the review first before you go ahead and purchase. So they sent me a few nail polishes. I was a little nervous because I'm not one of those girls who go and polish my own nails. So I was like, oh Lord, what am I gonna do? I wasn't sure if I should have did this video or not, but I said, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. So the company agreed that I could go and actually let a nail tech do my nails. So I was excited about that because if I was to sit here and polish my nails on camera, y'all be like, what the hell is she doing? So I could probably do like one hand good, but then this one gonna look like just crazy. And then when it's time to clean it up, I'm not one of those nail tech savvy chicks, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. So this company actually, she asked me what color I wanted, and I probably should have said what color I wanted, but I said surprise me. So I was a little bit nervous when I saw the colors. I'm like, oh Lord, what am I gonna do with these? But it worked out. And I tried to do like little clips at the nail salon. I actually found a nail salon in my city. This one's fairly new, but I think they have like 2 nail salons. So they were very packed. I went in there last minute. I think they were about to close like in 30 minutes, and the guy was like, oh, I can only do a pedicure. I'm like, oh God, I ain't gonna be able to get my nails done. But I made it happen. We made it happen. The nail salon that I went to is called G Nails 2 because this is the second nail salon. It's located in South Florida, so if you're ever in Miami, you can check them out. And the nail tech, I usually don't like to tell you who I went to, but I was lucky to get a good nail tech. Her name is Tracy. Her number is 24 if you ever go in there. But yeah, I think I will continue to go to her because she was really good. She shapes very, very nice. And she went fast. Like, everything was good. I was really shocked because I was scared. Like, I'm like, oh Lord, my nails are gonna look horrible. But it worked out. So this is what it looks like inside the box. And I'm gonna take it out so you guys can see it a little bit closer. But I just love how rich and fancy that this, like, look at the bottle. It's so cute. Like, they really went in and invested when they picked the style and the look of the polish. Now, what I was nervous about was because these are some, I kind of like vibrant colors, but I didn't want to say that because I didn't want to get neon colors. And then after I got my nails done, after I received the nail polish, and like just a few minutes ago, I went on their website and I saw like all the beautiful colors that they have. I seen all of the other girls who have been using their nail polish, and I'm like, dang, I should have told them which colors I wanted. But the number one problem that we always have as women is that we never know what color we want. So this was very interesting to get a different type of look of nail polish. The colors that I got was Ice Queen. It's like a baby blue, you could say. But it doesn't look like a baby. It's like a cloud blue, if that makes sense. Like a cloudy cloud blue. And then I also got Cherry Blossom. That one's like a baby pink. But all of these colors look like a rust color. I don't want to say rust color because then rust sounds ugly, but it's not bright and it's kind of dull a little bit. And then I also got Cashmere. Cashmere looks like a gray. So I was like, how am I gonna make these colors happen? How am I gonna get this lady to do something in less than 30 minutes because they're about to close? But Tracy made it happen. So they also give you a remover. I guess it's when you want to take the polish off. I haven't tried this yet because I literally just got my nails done 3 or 4 days ago. And then they also give you the base. Each one originally cost $19.95 and they were all on sale for $9.97 each. So I don't know if that's a sale that they're doing right now, but yeah. So they're each polish is like about $20. And then when they do their sale, or even if they don't do their sale and they have a coupon, then the polish will turn out to be $9. Aside from that, you guys, they also take Afterpay. So that's real cool. I don't know if you guys are hooked on Afterpay, but I have that for my business and I absolutely love it. I love it when I shop because if I don't have the money in my account right now, I'm using Afterpay. Like, they're gonna split that thing up in 4 payments and it's perfect. So they also have Afterpay on their site if you are an Afterpay user. If you're not, you are sleeping on life. Afterpay is everything. But anywho, so I want to jump into the accessories. So on their site, like I said, they have a mini, a UV LED light. So you know the lamps when you go get your nails done at the salon and then you have to put it in there and then it makes the gel dry quicker. So they also sell those, which I thought was really cool. And she was like, you need the lamp? And I'm like, they finna send me a whole big old box. But no, it's not that. So this is how it looks. It looks like a little a Plan B box, but this is how it looks. It's a little lamp. I didn't take it out the box yet because I didn't use it. But I thought this was really cool because if you are someone who does your own nails and you're traveling or you go on a trip with your girls or whatever the case may be, this is awesome because you can just put this in your bag or your carry-on or your purse and you can go dry your nails at the wherever you at. So it has a USB plug, so you can plug it up to your computer or your Apple or your Android, I don't know, your block. You know what the block is. So you can plug that up to your block, put it in the wall, and then this is how it looks. It looks like a tiny little table. So, and then the light is underneath, and it has a power button. So this is really cool if you're traveling. Now, this one on their site says it's originally $29.99, but at the moment they have it on sale for $14.99. So I thought this was really cool because she sent it to me for free. And she didn't have to do that because I was going to the salon to get them done anyway. But, and then they also have a bigger one. I don't know how big it is, but it's similar to the ones that they have at the salon, the nail salons. And that one is originally $139, but when I went on the site just now, it was on sale for $70. So that's really, really good. If you're somebody who loves to do your nails at home, I don't know how much those originally cost, but I'm sure it's expensive because it helps you dry your nails a lot quicker. So I'll have a picture posted somewhere because I don't know if you guys can see. I have like grandma hands, but this is the design that she came up with. I just told her, you know what, do your thing. Find a way to put all of the colors on there. And I also got the little butterflies. I don't know if you guys ever seen that. But I thought this was cool because it worked out. Being that the next day, it was my daughter's 3rd birthday and also my gender reveal. So yes, you guys, I have exciting news. I am expecting. I'm gonna have the gender reveal video coming up really soon, so you guys are gonna see that. You don't wanna miss it. But everything worked out good because it had blue and pink, so I didn't wanna do like one standard color so then they would know what it was. You know, people be guessing and stuff. But it turned out good. One thing I will say, I don't know nothing about polish really, but what I did notice was when they put the base on, it's super, super shiny. I don't know if you ever pay attention when you getting your toes done or your pedicure. And I also got my toes done. So I use the cherry blossom as the main color, and I just use one color on my toes. I'll try to show you guys that as well, but I'm not crazy about my feet. But I would say that the base, it's super shiny. You can even use that as a clear polish if you are somebody who are into clear polishes. But I did notice that. I also asked the nail tech, what does she think about the polish? And she said it looks really, really good. The quality looks amazing. Like I said, I have my nails on for about 4 days now. Nothing's chipping, nothing, like there's no scrapes, no chips, no nothing. I guess I gotta wait a little bit longer to see how fast the polish will start chipping off. But so far, it's like all great reviews. I want to get more colors. Like, that's how good this looks. Like, it's so pretty. I've gotten many compliments already on my nails. I also went on the site to see what was the grand total of everything that they sent me. I put everything in a cart. I excluded the shipping because I would have had to put in a whole bunch of information. But with everything that they sent me, the total price was $64. So I'm guessing that's a good price. I don't really know how much was the original price for gel polish or how that works because I've never purchased my own polish. But I think that's good for somebody who's into doing their own nails, especially if you're one of those girls who like to take your own gel polish to the salon instead of using theirs. But yeah, so far, like, I have nothing bad to say at all. And their website is really cute. Like, it's high quality. Like, you know how sometimes people be having them little bootleg websites? It's nothing like that. It looks like a real website, like you don't went on Zara or Forever 21 or somebody's website. So the website is excellent. The customer service is excellent. It looks like they always have coupons for people who don't want to spend too much on it, but I'm sure it will last long. But I'm loving it. I don't know what y'all think. Is it cute or no? But this is really cool to do something different. So, drum roll. If you are interested in going on their site and purchasing, which you should, you can use my promo code and you'll get 55% off. But, there's a but. If the item is already on sale online, like it's reduced, then you cannot use my promo code for it. So make sure you go in there and spend those coins. You'll still get 55% off. And all you have to type in the code is Takia, which is my name. Means righteous. But, so you need to make sure you go over there and purchase it, okay? If you are a girly girl, you're into self-care, you love getting your nails done, this is the place to shop. If you guys were feeling this video, if you want to see more, make sure you drop a comment below. Tell me what you guys think about my nails. Do you think it's cute? Oh, also comment in the comments below, what kind of nail rocker are you? I know there's stilettos, there's square, there's coffin. They have people who don't wear acrylic. Let me know what kind of nail girl you are in the comments below so we can chop it up and talk. Oh, I forgot to say, if you guys are feeling my accessories, check out my website. It's rtkey.com, and I also have an Instagram, RTKey Collection. I have these Buddha chains. I'm going to be getting some more in very soon. I have the 1990 nameplate. I'm sure it's probably backwards on the screen, and then this beautiful cross. So, and these rings that I haven't really put on the site, but yeah. You guys have an awesome day. Make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can see any videos that I post. You'll be the first one to know about it. You guys have a good night.